HVAC people!
Alright, HVAC people, so I just want to share with you this morning before we head to this next job how important and how beneficial of a good CRM software like Jobber has been to my company and my growth in my company. One thing that really sticks out is I don't really look like a chuck in a truck, that's what some people call it, or just like a one-man shop. It makes me look more bigger, more business-like. It makes me seem like I'm actually, running a business. It just makes my estimates look more professional, my invoices look more professional, my scheduling looking more professional, by me sending emails and texts to the company with all my logos all lined up. Just look very professional. This way me interacting with my customers just make me look more professional. And I also have delegated answering my call to virtual assistants. And whether if I have a technician in the field, my virtual assistants, everybody can see the scheduling software. And everybody knows where everybody at all times. So there's no double booking. My virtual assistant, they can see what I have scheduled already. But I don't have to run into a problem where I'm getting double booked. It's just awesome. Also on Jobber they have like a event calendar. So let's say if I have a doctor's appointment or something like that, I can go in there and put that on my calendar so I won't get booked for that day. Jobber just been awesome. So if anybody looking for a good CRM software, look, click on the link in the description below. You get a 14-day free trial and 20% off your first 6 months. So click on the link in the description below. All right, so the next call I'm going on, I think I posted a video maybe a month ago that I did an inspection on this unit. I had a few recommendations, but the unit was cooling well. It was actually a guy I do business with that he flip houses, and he said they haven't turned the unit on since I did the inspection. But yesterday when they came, he set the thermostat to 72 and it was like 87 degrees up in there and the unit wasn't cooling. So I told him I'd come today and try to find out what's going on. So it was cooling well. It was an older unit, I think it was R22 also, but it was cooling well when I inspected it. So he said he think it has a leak. But a lot of customers, that's what they go to, think it's leaking. But I should be able to get some footage and just try to figure out what's going on with it. Because I wanted to ask him over the phone, was both units running? Because a lot of times when you do, when they flipping houses, somebody may have turned a breaker off or something, or even if they flipping a house, somebody maybe stuck a nail or something through the sheetrock. But I don't like to speculate, so we'll just try to. All right, folks, let's see if we can find out what's going on here. Like I say, it was working. Floors put in. All right. Burner just kicked on. Remember the evaporator coil way up there somewhere. I got a feeling that I bet it. So I'm gonna show you the text that he sent. Okay. So he said, hey man, do you think you have a gap in your schedule coming up? The flip you went out to isn't cooling for some reason. First time turning it on since your inspection, so there may be a leak or something. Set it to 76 last night and it's at 84 right now. So I got a suspicion. I ain't want him to troubleshoot it, but I bet when we walk out there, I wanted that condenser not turning on. That probably just the power off. Cause that thing had refrigerant in it. Sound like it's just a capacitor sound like. Yeah, compressor not running at all. Sound like the capacitor, folks. I'm gonna give it a minute, see if y'all hear that death buzz. So I'm blowing cool air out here right now. No compressor. So that's a 45 by 5. There you go. Y'all hear it trying to start, but it's not starting. Alright, so we're gonna see if check the capacitor. So we'll kill the power right here. So anyway, with all them hardwood floors and stuff put in, I'm not believing this their first time turning it on since I did the inspection. I ain't going for that right there. Cause he's not the one that's doing the work. He got some other guys coming and doing the work, and trust me, they ain't been in here working in that. We've been having 90-degree weather here. They haven't been working in this house, putting hardwood floors in with no AC on. But I don't think it's a leak or nothing like that. So he's still lucky, but he still got to buy a capacitor. So I'm gonna check the compressor right now, since that's the only thing that's not working. The fan was going kind of slow also. So check microfarads. Like I said, it's a 45 by 5. 45 by 5. I'm getting a 4.2 on my compressor. 4.2. See what we're getting on this fan. See, that fan was barely turning, but I'm getting a 0 on the fan, so change that cap out. And I might go ahead and do that installation while I'm here for them also. Alright, folks, we got a 45 by 5. I think I'll go ahead and put that installation on there for him too. gonna check this one right here. All right, so we got about 44 on that one. So I took a come around, see if I can get some better screws for these right here. I gotta take a 1/4" screw out of here. All right, let's fire it up, see what it do. A lot better warm air, folks. Warm air coming out of it now. See if I can get some new. Alright folks, so we got some new Armor Flex on there. That look a lot better. Hey, but anyway, thanks for watching. Also, if you're looking for a good CRM software to make your business less complicated, give Jobber a try. You get a 14-day free trial.